What's something people don't know about making the perfect burger? It's all in the details. Let's break it down step by step. First up, the beef. Choose an 80/20 mix for that perfect juicy bite. Season it simply with salt, pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. Form your patties gently. Think 3/4 inch thick and a bit bigger than your bun. They'll shrink when cooking. Now, grilling or pan frying? For grilling, go for 5 minutes per side for a medium rare finish. Pan frying? Heat some oil or butter and cook until you get that golden brown crust. Don't forget the buns. Butter and toast them to keep them from getting soggy. Time to build. Add your cheese while the patty's still hot so it melts perfectly. Classic toppings like lettuce, tomato, and crispy bacon never fail. Feeling fancy? Throw on some sautéed mushrooms or a fried egg. Why do we love burgers so much? Because they're the ultimate comfort food. Juicy, customizable, and perfect for any occasion. Ready to impress your taste buds? Tag us with #BurgerMasterpiece and show off your creations. Let's get cooking.